Hey guys, it's RoboBoy here. As most of you may know, Google Drive gives its users 15 gigabytes of storage space to store whatever on the cloud, with things like docs and sheets being unlimited. This is great up until you hit 15 gigabytes of view space. Well, it's time to ditch quotas, speed, and ethics, because this is where HolySheet comes in. HolySheet is a program that allows the storage of any file of any size to be stored in Google Sheets, not affecting your Drive quota. You can check out the GitHub for a more detailed explanation, since this video is just going to be a little installation and demo. The GUI repo will be linked below, and it has some links that we're just going to be using for the installation. So the first thing we want to do is just go to the latest release, and then just download the zip of that, which I have right here. And we can just extract that, it doesn't really matter where. And after we have this right here, we can go back to that. We need to enable the Drive and Sheets API. This is so our account can actually use these APIs provided. Just click that button. Then, sure, we can do that. And then it has this right here, so we're all set. And then just go back to the Sheets API, don't download it quite yet. And then click the Enable Google Sheets API. And right now it says this right here, so we can just download the client configuration. We have the credentials.json. So you can just put this right in the extracted folder right here. And then this should be it. We should be all good to just run the exe right here. And then a little window is just going to pop up. We need to authenticate our Google account. You might need to click advanced and then go to quick start, just because this isn't actually an official program that we created with the credentials.json. And then just allow both these things. It's just giving it access to the Sheets and Drive. And then click allow once again, and then we can close that. And then right here, we're all set to go. So once you have the program up and running, you should be good to start uploading files. So I have this wallpaper image right here, and it's just over 1.5 megabytes, so we don't want to put that on our drive. So what we can do, just click the plus button, and then the upload button, and then a file chooser will pop up, and we can select the file, and then just open. And you can see it's uploading the wallpaper. Right now it's just encoding it via base 91, which it does have around 22% overhead. It can be larger with smaller files like this. And it just uploaded it, and it's consisting of one sheet, and its total capacity is 1.96 megabytes. And you can see it's cell phone last modified right now. And if we want to see this in the drive, we can just click See in Drive. And there should just be the one sheet in here. And then all of this is just the raw data of the sheet. Then we can just close out of this. If we want to, we can even just delete the local copy. And if we just go in our downloads folder, there's nothing here right now. But we can just click download. It's just going to confirm that we actually do want to download it, so we do. And it's just downloading, it's decoding it and everything. And there it is. This image has been downloaded completely via Google Sheets. You can do this with any image. There's compression enabled, with more support for compression coming soon. And yeah, hope that you guys can use this to your advantage. Try not to break Google too much, because hopefully they don't do anything about it. If they do happen to change the maximum sheet size on you and just stuff isn't uploading, you can go here and then just change that. What I've seen is that 10 is the best. I've seen up to 25.9 megabytes, but they just start giving internal server errors after that, so it's really not recommended. And then you can just change stuff like the download directory. I just recommend keeping this stuff the same, except for compression with some larger files, which can be good. And yeah, that's basically it. So if you want to see anything else, then just let me know. Check out the GitHub. All links will be in the description. And see you guys next time. Bye.